Okay, so we have got a sugarcane racetrack which is 100% biodegradable from Shell. So how to fix it? This is the track. This is one set for about $8, and then it comes with these pieces. So these ones over here with the flat top, this one, you take that out and cover this piece, and this piece, the bottom one, is to connect two of the pieces of track together. So just put it in here. Okay, so this is the top one which fits on top. Like that, something like that. No, okay, it looks like that. So you gotta fix it properly on all the tops with all these pieces. So in the package comes this piece here. So we're gonna read the instructions. So we got this plastic thing here to add the water and the salt. So we're gonna put in some salt. Okay, so we are gonna add in take off the cap.
You open this one.
Now we can leave the cap on and pour the salt inside there.
I can do it.
So we're gonna add it in. We got a spoon.
Under me.
No, you cannot. It will drop everywhere. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Touch the salt, okay?
Mm.
No, wait. Okay, so we got the salt up to the line. Keep the salt. If not, your mama's gonna scold you. So keep the salt.
Me.
So we're gonna add some water up to the level.
I think first. Okay. Again.
Done. And then the table is still so salty. The hole and shake it for a few seconds. So grip it like that, cover the hole so that the water doesn't fly out. Just shake it.
What do you mean? Okay, good.
Mix up the salt. Okay, done. And then add 3 drops of salt water solution into each hole using the pipettes. Where's the pipettes?
There, the paper.
Oh, there's the pipettes. Yep. Kind of a boy, Dawson. There's a plastic thing inside. It's got the pipette. There's the pipettes. The plastic thing. So you just put it in the hole and pump it, and you should collect water. And then for the car, there's like a plastic thing here. We're gonna cut that out. So cut out the plastic. This is the cover. You can see the contact points here. So we're gonna attach this to the bottom of the car before dropping the water. Like that. So this touches this. Slot it in, the top first. Press it. until it clicks. Press it down until it clicks. It's fully in place. Sorry, the scissors. Water from the pipettes. 3 drops each. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's what I did. Is there an on button? Now it started working. Woo. Dawson is working. It's working, excuse me. Ready? I put the salt water into the hole here. Just 3 drops each into the hole. And it should start working. Whoa, and it's so slow. So we decided to put more water. Wow, and now it becomes super fast. So we're gonna put more than 3 drops actually. Whoa, look at that. Okay, Dawson say bye-bye. Tristan, bye-bye. Tristan's so happy, right? The car, see? Whee! Tristan, yay! Happy boy.